Welcome back, Silverpunks. As you can see, we're at the desk. The judge has come through with the 3D prints. He's also sent me a little bonus one, which I'll talk about. But if you look here, we're looking at Jason from Friday the 13th, the film series. There he is in his hockey mask. And this is part of our classic horror film collection we're having a look at. It was a viewer request by Serpent Silver if we could do some classic horror stuff. So we've done the Michael Myers. As you know, we're now looking at this guy. So Judge has done the print. Have you seen the first video? That he's done the design and messed about and done all that jazz. And there you go. Another 3cm one. It's come out really well. Look at that. Looks so cool. So next job for me is to make the sandcast and then the pour. But I thought I'd, as I normally do, give you a quick run through the 3D print. And he's also done this one as well. Look at this guy with a little handle on. You getting that? So I can just go plop and pull it out. Obviously that'd just be his face we'd get, but that's something a little bit different for us to look at. So we've got the nice round that we're going to do. And we've also got that, a little bit of a bonus go. And we just get like a nice portrait, if you can call him nice. Some people it's nice, I suppose. You get a nice little portrait of old Jason. So and he's done me a handle, so it's easy for me to do. He's getting a bit considerate in his old age, isn't he, the judge? So there you go, 3D print with a handle. And we can knock one of those out. I don't know whether I'm going to do that in this run or that's something we might revisit down the line. But yeah, I'm very pleased that he's thinking of me, trying to make my life easier. But that's the important one. That's the one we're going to go for. Jason from Friday the 13th. Viewer request, Serpent Silver. So, there's a quick run through the 3D print. Only problems I can foresee. There's a little bit of a gap down there, but I can pack it with sand like I normally do. Hopefully these holes won't be a problem. So we should get a good pour from it. So I'll see you guys in the next video when I'm doing the sandcasts. Cheers. Thanks for watching, Silverpunks. If you want more interesting silver pouring videos, don't forget to subscribe.